Your engine constantly burns a mixture of air and gasoline, but it never burns perfectly clean. The oxygen sensor acts as a high-temperature sniffer in your exhaust pipe. It measures exactly how much unburned oxygen is leaving the engine block. This small, spark plug-shaped sensor is bolted directly into the searing hot exhaust manifold. It acts as the primary scout for the engine computer, sending real-time electrical data back to the dashboard every fraction of a second. Inside the metal casing, the sensor uses a specialized ceramic bulb made of zirconium dioxide. This rare ceramic material actually generates its own small electrical voltage when exposed to differing levels of oxygen. When the exhaust gas passing over the sensor contains very little oxygen, it means the engine is running rich and burning too much fuel. The sensor generates a higher voltage signal, telling the computer to cut back on the gasoline. If the exhaust gas contains a lot of unburned oxygen, it means the engine is running lean and not getting enough fuel. The sensor drops its voltage, signaling the engine computer to instantly spray more fuel from the injectors. Over thousands of miles of heavy driving, the delicate ceramic bulb gets coated in thick carbon soot and oil ash. A dirty or failed oxygen sensor forces the computer to guess the fuel mixture, causing awful gas mileage and a triggered check engine light.